Portland farmer shot dead tendering to his cows in neighboring St. Thomas. Hi again and welcome. This is Sh0t TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Sh0t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sh0t TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Sh0t TV News Report. A Portland farmer was shot dead on Sunday morning in the neighboring parish of St. Thomas. The deceased has been identified as 54-year-old Vivian Johnson, otherwise called CJ. Reports are that about 9 a.m., the farmer, who was from Hector's River in Portland, went to tend to his cow on a section of the bordering parish. It is believed that in the process he encountered men stealing his cows and was subsequently shot several times. The Golden Grove police are conducting an investigation into the matter. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come. This has been Sh0t TV News Report. Thanks for watching.